This is how you set up your OneNote. So you go to Office 365. Once you get there, you want to click on OneNote. And then once that's done loading, it will show you what's been shared with you already. And then you have another tab that says My Notebook. So you want to go to My Notebook. And give it a second to load. Here, you can add a section. So you go to Notebooks, Section, plus sign, type what you want the name of it to be. And click OK. It will give you this other page right here where you can add pages to it. Then anyone can just add anything they like to any of these. You want to share it with whoever you want to work with. So you go to Share. And you want to click this little box right here. It can be anyone, just people in Volusia County, specific people. You can allow them to edit. And make sure this box right here has the correct date on it if you want it to expire. So if you want it open till like December, put that. And then I'm going to click Apply. And you can copy the link and paste that somewhere. Or you can just go ahead and type in the email address of whoever you want to share with. And you can click Send. And now that should open up in my email. Here it is. It's been shared with me, so now I can open it. You can do this to everybody on your team. And then they will be able to open it. Click on the correct tab, and you can go to any of the different notes pages, and they can simply click in after they click Edit in browser is the easiest way to do it. And then once they've done that, they can then click and insert pictures, files, whatever you want them to post. And there you go.